Hey, it's John here, and this is 4Clojure number 105, and this is identity keys and values of medium problem. And what we're going to do is take a sequence, and it should have some keywords and some numbers, and anytime we have a keyword, we're going to take all the numbers that follow that and add it to a vector for that keyword in a map. Alright, let's get started. So we have our function, we'll just call it kv. As an input parameter, we're going to have our sequence. And what we'll do is we are going to reduce the sequence. So let's just reduce. We're going to have some function, and then our initial value is going to be a set, and we're going to reduce that sequence. Alright, and let's put in our reducing function, and it's going to have our accumulator and our current value v. So let's just start with the accumulator, and this function should handle the degenerate case of an empty list. So let's do kv empty list, and that gives us an empty set like the first example. So let's make it more complicated, and we need to decide if our current value is a keyword. Keyword v. Alright. So if it's a keyword, then we want to store that in some state. So what we're going to do is take this accumulator and make it into a vector where the first element is our last keyword, and the second element is going to be, let's call it our return value. Okay, so if it's a keyword, then we want to store into our state that keyword. So let's do update in our accumulator. What are we going to do? We're going to update the first value in the accumulator to be that value v. Okay. And then we also need to initialize the return value. We need an empty vector to be associated with that keyword. So let's do following. Let's do another update in, and we're going to update that returned vector, and we're going to update this first position in that vector, and we want to conj into that. We want to conj into that the vector v and an empty vector. Let's just give that a whirl and see what we get. So if we just have a keyword a, what do we get? We just got back a empty map. this. Let's see. If that doesn't make any sense, but I'm going to stop this for now.